Long ago, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer named Ravi. He had very little, a small patch of land, an old plough, and a tiny bag of seeds. Every year, Ravi would plant his seeds and hope for a good harvest, but his crops were always small and weak. The villagers would mock him, saying, "Why bother, Ravi? You'll never grow anything worthwhile." One day, as Ravi was sowing his seeds, he came across one that looked unusual. It was bigger and shinier than the others, almost glowing in the sunlight. Curious but unsure, he held it in his hand and thought, what if this seed is different? But then a voice inside him said, it's probably just like the others. Ravi hesitated. Should he plant this strange seed? Or should he throw it away and focus on the ones he knew? After a long pause, he decided, why not? He planted it in the middle of his field, watered it carefully, and whispered, grow, little seed. Show me what you can do. Days turned into weeks, and the villagers noticed Ravi spending extra time around that one spot in his field. They laughed and called him foolish. Ravi, you waste your time on a single seed. Nothing special will come of it. But Ravi didn't listen. He kept watering the spot, shielding it from the harsh sun and pulling out weeds. Then, something amazing happened. One morning, Ravi went to the field and gasped. The seed had sprouted into a tiny plant, but it was unlike any he had ever seen. Its leaves were lush, its color vibrant. Ravi felt a spark of hope. The plant began to grow faster than anything else in his field. It shot up toward the sky, its branches spreading wide. By the time harvest season arrived, the single plant had transformed into a massive tree, laden with golden fruit. The fruit was unlike anything the villagers had ever tasted, sweet, juicy, and filling. When the villagers saw the tree, their jaws dropped. Ravi, how did you grow this miracle tree? They asked. Ravi simply smiled and said, I didn't give up on it. News of the tree spread far and wide, and traders came from distant lands to buy its fruit. Ravi's life changed overnight. He went from being the poorest farmer in the village to the most respected. The same villagers who once mocked him now sought his advice. But Ravi never forgot the lesson the seed had taught him. He told everyone who visited his tree, sometimes, the greatest potential lies in the things we doubt the most. All it takes is patience, care, and a little belief to let it grow. Moral of the story: never underestimate the power of unseen potential. Whether it's a person, a dream, or an idea, nurture it with patience and belief. It could grow into something extraordinary.